Hey everybody, Matt here, and today I've got the latest Jim Beam release. This is the Knob Creek 25th Anniversary Edition. So the cool part about this is that you've got two things that you've never really seen before from Jim Beam. So with Booker's, you've always had that uncut, unfiltered, foolproof bourbon beast, just good, solid, super high proof whiskey. But it was always at like this 5, 6, 7-year-old age. And then you had Knob Creek, which was always older, 9, 10 years old. But even with the single barrel releases, they capped it at 120. So they kind of dialed everything back a little bit for the single barrel release. Well, here is something completely new and different. This is 13-year-old Knob Creek, uncut, unfiltered. This is absolutely like Booker's on steroids. And it's 150 bucks a bottle, but I think that's actually priced correctly because it's that delicious, that rare. This happens to be the 121.2 proof, and just from the nose, so much is going on here. So right off, I get a lot of licorice. I get like baseball glove oil, baseball glove leather. I get like a little bit of that linseed oil aroma, vanilla bean, Sumatran coffee, lots of vanilla, lots of coffee, a little bit of cinnamon, lots of that barrel spice, so I can anticipate how that's going to be on the palate. Oh man. Okay. Right off, you just get like this nice smack of leather. I get almond paste. I get that orange kind of candy, orange blossom. It just keeps going. Barrel spice comes in, mid palate on the finish. This has just got those old sort of ancient bourbon flavors. It is the best way I can kind of describe it is when you open two opposing Rickhouse doors when you first go into a bourbon warehouse, and you've got that cross breeze that just kind of shoots through. You get this smack of that aroma, and it's got everything in it. It's got the hoops and the decay and the wood and the dust and the cobwebs. It's just got everything in it, and that is best way I can describe this one. So it's all different single barrels. This happens to be the 121.2, so I can't vouch for all of them, but this has got the depth of flavor and certainly an enjoyable experience, traditional, that you'd expect in a $149 whiskey. It certainly doesn't disappoint. So good job, Jim Beam. Cheers.